Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. This question is a common GCSE exam style question about area. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you want to check your answer, continue the video. A circular garden has a path of uniform width. So uniform width means same thickness, same width around its edge. The radius of the garden without the path is 5 meters. Okay, so we know this one here is given as 5 meters. The total area of the garden with the path is 254.34 meters squared. Now this is the full area including the path. Work out the width of so let's say the radius of the full garden including the path and the middle bit is r. So I know area formula is equal to pi r squared. Area is 254.34 is equal to pi times radius, I said capital R squared. Now divide both sides by pi. Divide by pi. These two pi's get cancelled out. Now r, I need to take the square root of this because opposite of squaring is square rooting. So r is equal to square root of 254.34 divided by pi. Now I wouldn't try to get the value for this one and then do it because I know I'm going to get some long decimal, pi being irrational. So it's just the whole thing. Just put it in the calculator really. Like this. So you get the radius is 8.9977 ... meters. Now, if that is the capital R, but I know the radius of the garden without the path is 5. Now the width of the path here, W, is obviously R take away 5. So the width should be 3.9977 ... The question says give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. To 2 decimal places, my answer is 4.00 meters. It's important to put the 2 zeros because the question says 2 decimal places. Even though they are zeros, you're still supposed to put them. Here's the final answer.